No joke hold. Non-sticky, no-flake formula for crazy holds. Go all night. But once the fun is over, easily unglue with a little shampoo. Aluminum-free. Use for vertical hairstyles. How to use. Use on damp or dry hair. Squeeze a small amount into palms and distribute evenly throughout hair. This Got2b gel's hold is no joke. So put it down and slowly back away if you're not up for the strongest gel hold ever. This non-sticky, no-flake formula is powered by high-tech styling agent, we call it Alpha XTR. Call it what you want, it lets you take your hair to new heights. Or do your own thing and cement your individual style. And when the party comes to an end, easily unglue with a little shampoo. Go ahead, style away. Use on damp or dry hair. Squeeze a small amount into palms, rub hands together and distribute evenly throughout hair. Top reviews from the United States. My go-to hair control product. My go-to gel for very frizzy, curly hair. I use it daily. It gets my hair looking exactly like I want it to every morning. It does not have a weird smell or anything, which I really appreciate. It dries a little hard, which does not bother me, just mentioning. Glad to find it in a value pack like this on Amazon.